Yeah, you know what it is, man. K Sizzle, you know what I'm saying? With Stars Toronto interview. Wave on.
This is Stars Toronto. I'm Shelby GT, and we're with K Sizzle at the Drunken Uncle Tour Noriega. So tell us how you got on this bill and some of your upcoming music and what you got going on.
This bill right here, I was kind of got shouted out, you know what I'm saying? Shout out Peter Jackson, you know what I'm saying? They're looking for people, you know what I'm saying? Kind of like, I don't know, dope artists or whatever. I gave him a shout. I knew him for a minute, whatever, you know what I'm saying? He threw me on it, you know, so good looking, you know what I'm saying? Just like that.
Okay, so how long have you been doing this? And you're based out of Toronto, correct?
Yeah, okay. Southside Western Road, man.
Okay, he's repping. So what are the big songs that you have out right now? And do you have a mixtape or any projects that are out?
I dropped Sizzle Time Volume 1 about a year now. It's been doing really good, you know. Mad downloads on DatPiff, everything. I got mad videos all over the place, you know what I'm saying? And I've been working currently on my new stuff about to drop real soon, you know what I'm saying? I'm actually dropping a video tomorrow at 5 p.m., you know what I'm saying? It's called Jordan's Every Day. Shout out to Jordan, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm working, man.
So these videos on YouTube, where can they find them?
You can go to Shot by Dolo's page on YouTube, Shot by Dolo, all one word, SHOTBYDOLO, or you can just type in K Sizzle, KSIZZLE, and you'll find all my stuff, man. It's all right there, you know what I'm saying?
So coming up in the Toronto scene and seeing how everything's getting pretty crazy right now, we're definitely on the map. So what is something that you've noticed, like just doing these performances and being out here and seeing all the artists do their thing, like what's something you like can contribute or say to the artists coming up?
Oh yeah, definitely. I was bringing my own wave, you know what I'm saying? Everything that I can contribute to the music scene. I like what's going on right now. I think the current scene right now, I see more hungrier artists because they see more of a way out. Before, people did their thing, but they didn't really see a way out. They didn't see if they were going to make it past the city. And I think now they see that they can actually branch out. So I think artists are working harder. Producers, we have the best producers in the world.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So Toronto runs it right now, man. So shout out to all the artists that, you know, just working hard. You know what I'm saying?
So is there anything that you want to do, like where do you see yourself in the next year? Is there anything that you want to do with your career? Are you looking to promote other artists? Are you doing a label or anything like that?
Right now, a couple things are on the hush. I can't say.
What are you, James Bond?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Double O K, you know what I'm saying? Double O Sizzle, you know what I'm saying?
Double O.
Nah, but some real shit, yeah, like there's certain things I can't say, but yeah, I'm working behind the scenes and also like, you know, in front of the camera and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So certain things are about to drop and I'm working hard, you know what I'm saying? I'm getting good looks, you know what I'm saying? Getting a few calls, a few emails. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, just like I'm doing this for Western Road, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Coming straight out of there, born and raised, you know what I'm saying? Southside. So if anybody, I can help them there too by doing what I do. You know, I can help open the door for anybody else too, you know what I'm saying? We got a lot of young boys that's coming up right now too, you know what I'm saying? Shout out Swagger Wright, Champagne, you know what I'm saying? You know, my homie Doja, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, Road Kid. We gotta
shout out the team.
Yo, you know, like those are Western Road people that's been doing it for a second that need some shine too. So I'm just shouting out certain people from the block. You know what I mean? Yeah.
So you seem like you're really out there in the streets, and obviously you know what's been going on in the streets right now. It's pretty hectic.
Yeah.
What can you say to the youngsters coming up that think, you know, gangbang and everything's cool? I mean, you've obviously been through some crazy shit in your life.
Yeah.
I'm not going to get all into that. I don't want it to be a downer, but what can you say to the children that look up to you rappers out here in the city?
You know what? I'll tell any kid what I tell my son. I'll say stay in school, you know what I'm saying? Get your grades up, you know what I'm saying? Because knowledge is power, you know what I'm saying? And the guns don't solve everything, you know what I'm saying? If there's a way that they can solve the differences without the guns, then I'd suggest that, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not gonna be here and stand here and be a hypocrite and act like, you know, sometimes certain things happen beyond your control, you know what I'm saying? But my preference, I would rather people just solve the differences without killing, you know what I'm saying? Because right now the city is good with the music scene, but it's also kind of crazy with the you know, the violence and everything. So stay out the politics if you can, you know what I'm saying? Get your money, you know what I'm saying? And just try to live a better life, man, you know what I'm saying? Stay out the way, man. If you're not involved, don't get involved, you know what I mean? And just focus on your music. If that's what you're doing, focus on your music, focus on your craft, perfect your craft, and you never know what can happen for you, you know what I'm saying? Big things are happening, so just stick to that, you know what I'm saying? That's what I have to say.
Well, those are very wise words, and you heard it right here from K-Sizzle. And this is Stars Toronto. We're gonna keep up with you and see what you got going on later.
I would like that.
We're always here, so we're around.
Shout out Shelby GT.
You know what I'm saying? I know, I can't even say I'm out of the drama right now, so everything you just said, I'm just like, oh shit. Yeah, but anyway, we're gonna have a fun night, Drunken Nugget Tour. What up, Nori? Let's do this.
You know what I'm saying?
All right, peace.
Way more.